Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix battle.net slow download speed. This tutorial will be quick and simple and has a few solutions, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So now you want to open up your task manager, just like so, and then on task manager you want to go to details. On details, you want to find battle.net.exe file and you want to go ahead and set the priority by right-clicking on it, set the priority to high and click change priority. After you've done that, you want to check how your download speed is now, but if that didn't really change anything, you want to go to your DNS servers. So you want to go to your control panel, go to network and internet, and then network and sharing center. From here you want to change your adapter settings and you want to choose your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whichever you're using, and you want to go to properties. On properties you want to find Internet Protocol version 4 IPv4, double click on it and change the DNS server addresses to this one. This is Google's, so it will improve your internet speed. Just write down 8888 and 8844, click OK and OK here also, and now close everything. Another thing you want to check out is go to your device manager and check your network adapters. So you want to find your network adapter here. So for me, it would be this one. You want to go ahead, click update driver, search automatically. If you are up to date, then it will show something like so. Another thing you can try to do is go ahead and reset your DNS. So clear the cache basically. So you want to write down command prompt and run it as administrator. Once it will open up, you want to just write down ipconfig /flush DNS. Just like so, and that's it. And now another one would be to go to Windows Defender Firewall, and on here you want to allow an app or feature to go through Defender Firewall, change settings, and here you want to go ahead and find your BattleNet. If there's no BattleNet here, to edit you just click allow another app, browse. So for me it would be somewhere on program files. So you want to go ahead and find it here. It may be on program files x86, and here it is. And you want to just add here BattleNet, just like so, edit, and make sure that private and public are check marked, click OK, and check if the problem persists. And the last thing you need to do is go ahead, open up your BattleNet, click on the menu at the top and click on settings. On settings you want to choose downloads and scroll down until you will see download limits, and you want to uncheck your pre-release content, for example, and there will be no download limits anymore, and click done. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.